MGB construction system. MGB presents an unpublished construction system. MGB system was developed by the architect Cláudio Nobre Barcelos. During his observations, studies and researches, he found a huge lack of cultural preparation of manpower involved in the process of construction systems. The vast material diversity, the lack of qualification in the suppliers' lateness, the disorganization and the lack of a global planning all added to the absence of technical standards responsible for good quality among many other factors. In May 2002, although it was still in the embryonic stage of development, his creation received a National Public Award for his expertise in this area. Solutions for Urbanization and Low-Cost Housing, Caixa Econômica IAB Award 2001-2002. During these last years of work, MGB invested highly in researches and development using its own resources in partnership with its own supply chain. Besides its usage in educational institutions, this high technical, economical, and innovating system has great commercial feasibility. Construction system. MGB has its flagship long durability plastic moldings, besides a large variety of accessories, all of them having been properly developed. The buildings are structured with conventional concrete and cellular. The cellular concrete is a lightweight compound obtained by adding foam. It is applied to fill the external and internal walls, this way reducing the debris and the waste of material. Ready-Air Foundation. After preparing the ground and outlining the work, we assemble the feedback foundation, followed by the gravel distribution, the steel netting placement, and then the concrete foundation. This stage takes 2.5 hours to complete. Construction sequence. The assembly. The molding assembly starts from any internal corner, fixing the central panels to the corner panels through the plastic connectors, having 1.25 cm high around the inside perimeter of the house. During this stage, another staff team installs the hydraulic, electrical and telephone sets through the feedback present in the molding. This feedback is allowed to be drilled in order to fix the material, and it is after covered with plastic adapters, making the molding reuse possible for hundreds of times, assuring its technical and structural reliability. At the same time, another staff team performs the steel netting placement and structure opening in the internal surfaces of the moldings, using limiters between the molding and the net. After those stages, the moldings shaping the walls will be secured in place. The procedure is repeated once more in order to reach the height of the fire. After, the moldings are assembled to create the gable ends. From now on, the placement of the structural elements molding, tensor compounds, profile attachment for the horizontal pipes, and the fitting of the rectangular pipes in the vertical way will get started. After this stage, the horizontal pipes are installed and the general blocking is performed. This stage is completed in about 1 day. Concrete pumping and injection. The injection stage consists of the cellular concrete pumping in the inner sides of the molding. The injection is performed through any part since the concrete fills all the gaps and spaces present in the molding. It is important to mention that this concrete is totally different from the conventional ones, being extremely liquid, so it offers a perfect filling and surface finishing of the molded elements. This stage is completed in about 1.5 hours. Molding removal. 12 hours after the concreting ends, the house molding's disassembling starts. Initially, the horizontal pipes are removed, then the profiles and the tensors, followed by the vertical pipes and the accessories, and finally the moldings. The moldings are removed in panel shape so they can be reused in the next construction. By this time, it is already observable the high level and quality of the work performed in the surface finishing of the walls, gable ends, and opening gaps. This stage takes nearly 1 day. Finishings. The final stage of MGB construction system consists of closing the walls created by tensors, fixing the openings in the predetermined gaps, placing the roof structure in the gable pre-fit, fixing the roof, finalizing the electrical, hydraulical, telephone and sewer installations, placing the ceilings, the glass, and applying the paint, followed by the cleaning. This stage takes nearly 4 days. One important note. Because of the system practicality here presented, MGB technology allows the construction in a collective effort system with high quality productivity level in an industrial scale. To illustrate, 44 houses are built using 6 sets of moldings in the short period of 30 days. Be assured that building with MGB is going to become a big factory assembly. By applying this new construction technology, it is possible to offer our customers quality, quickness, and savings. MGB construction system.